Hello there, tubers. Welcome back. Today, I want to give you a follow-up. This was a long time in the making. It's a follow-up about my cartridge. I did a video a while back talking about how my cartridge was damaged, and I finally got it repaired by Joseph Long at the Groove Tickler, and I just want to give you a follow-up on that. So what had happened was I was changing the record, and as I grabbed the tone arm and I put it over, for some reason my hand hit the tone arm, and it started falling on the record. I didn't want the needle to hit the record, so I tried to grab it so that it does not fall, and in so doing, I ripped off the cantilever. You know, I mean, this was a disaster. So anyway, I sent it out to Joseph Long and get it repaired. And this is the cartridge. Yeah, it's a VPI cartridge. I think it's VPI Skyler. It's made by Audio Technica for VPI, and that was a cartridge that was damaged. So I haven't had time to put it back on the tone arm. So I will get to it sometime. Right now I'm using a Orthophone Rondo Red, I think it is. Yeah, awesome cartridge. So at some point I will do a switch and see and hear this cartridge. But anyway, Joseph was kind enough to send me some videos on the repair. So it's also on a link. He also sent me a link on his Instagram. So I think I will post that link in this video, so you can click on it and see how the cartridge performed after he repaired it. Yeah, I was quite impressed. I was going to send it to Sound Summit to be repaired, because I've done that before and they did a fantastic job. But they had a bit long backlog, and someone recommended Joseph Long. Says you can send it to Joseph Long, and he does a good job. And so I did. He also had a long backlog, because it take a few months for him to get around to my cartridge. But I wasn't in any hurry, so I let him do his thing. So I'm happy to have it back. So I will be hooking it up at some point to check it out. Yeah. So you can check out the link that I'm going to post in the description on this video, so you can see what happened after Joseph completed the repair. Okay, thank you for stopping by again, as usual. Bye. See you next time.